Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. So for today's video, I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I'll be showing you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. So if you'd like to see what I got from the Dollar Tree, keep watching. Oh, let's start. For those of you that don't know, Dollar Tree is a dollar store where everything in there is only $1. So yeah, it's a good deal, good buy, a whole bunch of good stuff that you know, can pick up. So, let's get into it. Alright. So first I got a spray bottle for my hair. Just a cute little pink one so I can spray my hair and do my hair and do all that stuff. Then I got a rose and coconut facial serum. Let me see if you could see that. I can't really see it. Facial serum. Okay. Then I got a hydrating facial toner, and it's watermelon and aloe. So a toner. Then I got a lip duo gloss and lipstick. It's like a red color. So it has a lipstick and then the gloss. Very cute. Then I got some, what is this? Oh, I got a nail art pen, and it comes with like a pink like thing that I guess you can, oh yeah, pink polish, and then like a glittery side. Let me see. Oh, you can't really see it. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, it has like a pink polish side and then like a glittery like design side. Very cute. I got another nail art. It's a blue one, blue polish, and like these like rhinestones. Let's see. Very like a bedazzled rhinestone, so you can design your nails. That would be cute. I got some hair clips, some colorful ones. I got a head massager. So you just like put it in your hair and just massage in there. This is supposed to like help like stimulate the scalp so you can get good hair growth and stuff like that. Plus, if you have an itch, you can just use that to itch it. Oh, I got a stylus pen for like your touch screens, like your iPads, phone, whatever, tablet. It's good for that. Oh, I got these cute little fans. Let's see. I think I had got 2 of them. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So yeah, I got these cute little fans. Oh, wrong side. Alright, this way. And it says blessed. You know. Ooh, this feels good. But yeah, got one in that white color. And then got another one in black. And this one says slay. But yeah, it's super cute. Got those. Then I got a, it's a satin eye mask to sleep in. Oh, and then I got this cute, what does it say? Oh, this cute headband that says slay all day. Let's see. It's really cute. It's like a metallic-y, cute, really cute color. So that's that. Oh, I got this silicone facial mask applicator. So I don't have to be using my hands no more to put on a mask. I can use this. This is meant for that, so. That's what I get. Oh, I got a satin hair bonnet. So I can protect my curls and my natural hair. Alright, let me put this over here because I'm starting not to have no more room. What else did I get? Oh, I got this, but I already had used it because I just washed my hair and used this. And yeah, it's just like a shampoo massager. That you just, when you have your shampoo in, you just put this and circle it, and it cleans your scalp really good. Or you can use this also if you put like some oil in your hair. You can use this to massage it in, you know, so you can stimulate that hair growth. What else? Oh, I got hydrating and cleansing facial wipes in watermelon and aloe. Oh, I got some hydrating bath bombs. Yeah, and it's in watermelon. So this stuff, everything I pretty much got for like my skin and stuff, I think is watermelon. So yeah, it's gonna smell so good. And then I got some eye cream. This one is in rose and coconut, and it's a hydrating eye cream. You know, that one's not in watermelon, but coconut still smells good. Oh, and then I got this silicone brush cleaner. It's a unicorn. But yeah, just use it to clean your brushes. It's really cute. And then I got some nail clippers. I needed that, actually. Oh, I also got this, which I already used, but because I just washed my hair. But it's just a microfiber like hair wrap for your hair when you get out the shower. You don't have to wrap it in a towel or nothing because that like it damages your hair. So I just use this, and it dries my hair so good, and it doesn't like make it frizzy. It makes it like good and nice. So yeah, that was $1. Oh, what else did I get? Oh, I just got this cute little little glass. You know, what does it say? Oh, don't mind if I do. You know, just whenever I want to have a little bit of wine or a little bit of a drink, put it in this little glass. It's actually not glass. It's like plastic, but it works, and it's really cute. And oh, so the last thing, and then I just got a cute little fuzzy rainbow keychain. I thought it was really cute. And yeah, so I think that's it. Alright, so that's it. That's everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, everything was $1. I think I got like 20 something items. I don't know exactly how many I got, but I only spent like, I didn't spend more than $25, and I got all of that stuff. So if you have a Dollar Tree near you, in your neighborhood, you should definitely go check it out because they have a lot of cool things, a lot of cute things, and only $1, so can't go wrong with that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want some more videos like this, let me know, or let me know in the comment section what type of videos you would like to see from me. And yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.